How to scan documents using iPhone's camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily scan documents using your iPhone. Let's dive right in. You need to head over to the Notes app, then create a new note, and once you're there, you can see various icons above the keyboard. Just tap on the paperclip icon, that is the attachment icon, and now you can see scan documents option. Just tap on it and point your camera towards the document, and then you just need to click picture and then just hit keep. It's in the top right, and then there you go, the document has been scanned. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for